The next section begins and talks about the different types of functions that we have, the basic classes of them, many of which you know, linear, quadratic, cubic, square root function, those sort of things. And just go to some of the exercises and work on these. So the suggested homework had some earlier problems, but this problem here will do all of the different things that you had in the earlier problems as well as working on itself. All right, so it says for the following exercises, write the equation of the line satisfying the given conditions in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is of the form y equals mx plus b. The m is our slope. The b is the y-intercept. All right. So the strategy to this, the first thing you do is you figure out what the slope is. So m is equal to the change in the change in y over the change in x, which we do as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, I'll use this as my x1 and y1, and this is x2 and y2. So this is going to be 2 minus 7 over 1 minus a negative 3, which equals negative 5 over 4, or negative 5/4. Then we use what is known as point slope form. And point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And then we'll distribute through and put it into slope-intercept form. So in this case, go back to blue here. So I've got y minus, so we've chosen these to be the y1, so it'll be 7 equals our m, which is negative 5 over 4, times the quantity x minus a negative 3. And let me just scroll down a little bit. All right, so I have y minus 7, and we'll distribute this negative 5/4. So negative 5 over 4x. This becomes a positive, so minus 15 over 4. What I want to do then is add 7 to each side. And 7 is really 28 over 4. So my final solution in slope-intercept form will be y equaling negative 5 over 4x. And then 28 minus 15 is 13. So plus 13 over 4. And that should be my solution.